We have a very serious problem. Our planet is fighting back. If we are not careful, we will certainly lose this battle. Listen to me and listen well. If you do not take action now, the day is going to come when we discover it is too late. I'm not going to introduce myself. Who I am is not important. What I'm about to tell you may save your life and will certainly impact the world for years to come. I'm delivering this speech with a heavy heart this afternoon. Mother Nature showed her fury yet again on May 20th, 2013. I'm going to talk to you about what we are doing to destroy our environment and what our environment is doing to fight back. I don't care if you believe in global warming or not. I don't care if you drive around in a Hummer throwing styrofoam containers out the window. What I do want from you is an understanding that you do affect our environment. What you do with that knowledge is up to you. I believe we have an obligation as a society to leave our children and grandchildren an environment that is acceptable. According to the National Wildlife Foundation, global warming is making hot days hotter, rainfall and flooding heavier, hurricanes stronger, and droughts more severe. We begin on October 29, 2012, in the northeastern portion of the United States. Some of the most densely populated areas of the country were about to meet Hurricane Sandy. She made landfall in Atlantic City, New Jersey. This storm claimed the lives of people, destroyed homes, and left millions of people from South Carolina to Maine without power. Is it just a coincidence that the largest storm to strike north of the Carolinas happened at this point in history? Nobody can answer that question, but what we do know is that global warming can increase the intensity of hurricanes. Rewind 5 years to what the National Weather Service describes as one of the most devastating disasters in U.S. history. We all remember Hurricane Katrina. Katrina was a massive storm that killed over 1,500 people. The storm caused over $81 billion in damage. Unlike Sandy, Katrina caught many people off guard. The storm intensified greatly in a very short time. The National Weather Service states that this neared the U.S. as a Category 1 before increasing to a Category 3, then a Category 5, 12 hours later. Again, global warming may not be responsible for this storm, but I seem to remember something from science class about warm waters feeding hurricanes. Hurricane Katrina destroyed New Orleans, Sandy shut down the Big Apple, and the west coast of the United States is on fire. While a single weather event cannot be blamed on climate change, science shows us that weather patterns are related to climate change. Regardless of your views on global warming, science shows us that we do have an effect. According to Trees of Strength, plants, you know the green leafy things that appear in nature from time to time, they actually absorb carbon dioxide. If we can all agree on that fact, then it should be safe to assume that the more plants we have, the less carbon dioxide we'll have in the atmosphere. Now let's talk about how the carbon dioxide gets in the environment. This chart indicates the sources of carbon dioxide emissions in the environment. Follow along with me. Electricity and transportation cause about 69% of the carbon emissions in the United States. The other 31% is caused by industry, residential and commercial, and just 6% from non-fossil fuel combustion. Let me say that again. Only 6% is from non-fossil fuel combustion. That means the other 94% is from us. If everyone agrees that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, I have shown you that we are the ones putting this gas into the air. You caused this mess. It is unethical to leave it to your children to fix it. You can fix this problem by limiting your resource use, carpool with somebody, turn your AC down a little bit, hang dry your laundry, or just turn your hot water heater down a little bit. Oh yeah, how about recycle? If burning our natural resources, which cannot be replaced by the way, emits carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, then where's the controversy? If trees absorb carbon dioxide, is it a surprise that cutting them down allows more carbon dioxide to remain in the environment? Paper is still made out of trees, right? Don't just think about the damage you have already done. Start exploring what you can do before it's too late. Now I'm going to do my part by logging off. Have a great day. Thank you for an exciting 8 weeks.